Since I'm planning to do more track days than I did so far, I decided to go with the oil pressure gauge, and I went with a stack one, since this specific model should be able to see the high pressure during a run, and also you could indicate with the color of the light if it's high or low. So I decided to go with a high quality one, because when you driving, you want to be able to focus on the driving and not reading the oil gauge meter. So let's see. So this is the gauge. Okay. Crushering. Do not over tighten. Do they have any torque? Nope. Okay, this is the gauge sensor, I mean. And okay, this is mounting equipment, I presume. And some stickers, naturally. I want you to make bye-bye stickers. Okay, so let's see. I have a fair idea how I'm gonna mount it, but I haven't done the final decision yet. Oh, that is very thin cable. So this is to the sensor. There's only one way to, yeah, this one specific way it goes in. Simple enough. And then this is also only, simple enough. And I presume ground. And let's see. German. Spanish, and Italian, I presume. Prefer English. So let's see, data logger yellow. Okay, I'm not going to use that right now. Illumination white. So, be careful with the sensor. There's the white. Fuse. Red. Okay, so red is the power in. And black ground. Data logger ground. Orange. Pro control. So what you can do is cut ignition if the pressure is too high or too low. I'm not going to use that because I'm not going to wire the whole system myself. I'm just going to use the pressure. So power up, peak recall, full dial warning. Oh, okay, a lot of stuff to read. We'll do that tonight. Just gonna quick show you where the sensor is going in the car. So what I did is remove the air filter so it's easier to see and work. And see the insects down there? This one here. So there is where the sensor goes, and it was an H6 insects. It wasn't too tight, so just to loosen it, and I'm gonna remove it now and put in the sensor.